as the clouds rolled in soft like a whispering breeze. Every drop falling, my heart found its ease. In the old town square, on the twilight's hue, I caught your gaze and suddenly knew. In the rain, we found each other, hand in hand, no need to cover. The world washed away, just you and me. In the rain, where our hearts run free. And as the morning dew kissed the earth so sweet, we wandered through the fields where our dreams would meet. With every moment shared in the rain or the shine, we discovered it's yours and mine. And as the seasons turned and so wouldn't call me in this simple life, round them free in the bounding breeze,